So before now, I posted a video here on my channel on how to make a tote bag. So if you haven't watched that yet, please you can go back and watch. So in designing a tote bag, I make use of a substance or a material called flex. It comes in different colors. This is the pink color. So I want to carve out a love shape and a butterfly. So watch closely to see how I do that. So I'll fold the flex into two, then I cut it this way. As you can see, watch closely. Yes, so finally we have a love shape. You can replay the video to see what I did if you didn't get it. So now to cut out a butterfly shape, I'm going to use my pen to draw a butterfly on this part that is whitish in color. After I'm done drawing, the next thing to do is to use a scissors and cut out this butterfly shape following the lines. Alright, this is the butterfly shape. This our butterfly is final. This is the name that I want to write on the bag. I carved out the letters using carton, but you can also use carbon sheet. Then what I'm holding in my hand is a flex, the white flex. Then it has two parts, a part that has a normal surface and a part that has a waterproof surface. Now when you write on the part that has a normal surface, it shows very well. Look at when you write on the part that has a waterproof surface, it doesn't show very well. Okay, so look at this, you can see the waterproof. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring the letter K that I carved, then I'll face it the wrong way, yeah, so that after I'm done doing this and then I carve it out, I'll turn it the right way. So you draw it with your pen, just the same way I'm doing it. As soon as you're done, you can use scissors to cut it out following the lines. So I'm done, and the next thing to do is to use electric iron. Place the letters carefully on the bag the way you want it. Then use electric iron to iron the surface. Ensure that there is enough heat. After that, you can now remove the waterproof on the flex. Then your bag is ready.